How to remove green screen in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to remove green screen in Canva. So first of all, just simply open your Canva, and after that just simply open the project or the video in which you want to remove the green screen. And after that, all you have to do is just simply drag this particular file into the editing or the blank page in the Canva account, and make sure that this particular file has been selected already. And after that, all you have to do in order to remove the green screen, just simply click on the edit section from the top menu, and over here you have to go to the background remover section from the left hand side menu screen, and this background removing tool will remove the green screen. And make sure that you have the pro account for the Canva in order to use this particular feature. Just simply click on this particular background remover option right here, and once it is done, you can see the green screen has been removed. And now when you play this, you can see that the green screen has been completely removed. It doesn't look this sharp, but it can get the job done. So you can use this if you find this helpful. So yeah, this is basically how you will be able to remove green screen in Canva. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.